Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our series of videos in which we are showing you how you can create and develop a dashboard in which in the front end you have Microsoft Excel worksheet and in the back end you have Microsoft Access as a database. So all the data is entered through the Microsoft Excel worksheet into the database, and data is extracted and plotted into a report from using the Microsoft Access database on the backend, right? So we have seen that we have the database which has two tables, right? And if we go to the database like this, sorry, yeah, this is our database, and we have these two tables. The user table is one-liner table. It has only the user's description and the details, one-line detail of the user whatever. So you have the user ID, user name, user email, and local rate, currency, mandate, and city, and country, and DB title, and the mandate description. Yeah, today we are going to have some more exploring of this field of the database in which multiple mandate description will be used, right? So what we do here is we use a mandate description different than per day, right? So if you see the form which we have developed, it has I'm sorry, it has got this button which creates the new user account in it, and you have a per day. This is the per day which goes directly from here to this table, right? This table per day. So this is the default for you, that every day and the per day automatically brings calendar into the field calendar, right? If it is per day, so naturally it is going to be calendar, right? And if it is something else, then you need to have some different things like off days list, etc., right? So means off days list reference. It is the list reference of the days on which there will be the holidays which are not going to be counted, right? For example, uh, if it is taken uh, as a different value, like per day, well, for example, first week, say, so the per day is that the first of every month, for example. Instead of per day, we use first of every month. Then what would be the status in here, and how the data will be plotted into the master, and how the overdues and performance is going to be captured, right? So let's get back to the Microsoft Excel here, and we we use we want to see for a different procedure of mandates, which is a different thing, right? The mandate is a mandate description where will be, for example, first of every month, right? Okay. So what we need to do, what changes we are supposed to do in here, right? So in the form, we go to the first of all into the form, then we go to the view code, right? In the view code, we for the moment we remove this, okay, because we do not need any event for the click event for the form. What we want here is the first of all, let's take the user form, right? And it's we want to plot the initialize. So this is the event in which we mention as soon as the form appears, before the form appears, what are the things which have to be done. We want here the first of every day to appear as an option in the combo box, right? So we say me dot combo, yeah, combo of mandate description dot, and here we say add item, and we say, for example, first of every month, first of every month, right? Okay. So on first of every month, uh, he, the activity, what we want. This is a mode. I mean, this is the description of the mandate, right? So let's see what happens when we run the form. And so we see another item in here, first of every month in here, appearing here. Okay. We can keep on adding more things. For example, what can be the more options which are possible. For example, first of every month, and say me dot combo, yeah, combo description dot add item, and we want to add, for example, mm, last day of every month. Of every month, right? So now if we run here, so you see another item coming last day of every month appearing in here. Okay, and what else? And say, so yeah. So you can go through pressing control and down arrow key. You can also reach to your desired procedure. So this is the user form initialize, and you can keep on adding more things which are possibly useful for you in this application. So we come say dot add mandated descriptions, whatever the mandate descriptions you can foresee, you can keep on adding like this. Okay? So you can add, say, 15th of every month. Huh? 15th of every month, right? And what else? You can add more, say, meet a combo box or combo of this mandate description, and we add an item, and we call it, say, for example, say, third Wednesday of every month. Or you say me the combo box and this. You can have as many as you want, right? And what is, you can say that, mm, say, 15, 30, last day of them every month, or you can say the 20, 27, a particular day, for example, say 22nd day of every month. Sorry, let me bear with me. It's taken. Okay, so 22nd. Sorry, Alt F11. Yeah, the 22nd of every month. Mm. Similarly, these were the day payment, and you can have a quarterly, half yearly. You can have different mandate descriptions to be set and then used. And these are taken care of by the system when you create a user and you fill in all these things and using a different mandate description, right? So 15 of a month. So the dates which are going to be started from the starting date which is mentioned and unperformed. So these all days have to be in light of this selection of the mandate which is done, right? So that an unwanted dates will not be filled. Only those which are in line with this selection, they are going to appear in the master table, right? So this we will do in our upcoming video. Thank you very much for watching.